Good morning, Key Stage 2, and a very warm welcome to Celebration Assembly this week. As you can see, this is as close to a beach as I'm going to get this summer, so I'm going to take you on a little bit of a whirlwind tour of some various places that pop into my mind as I'm doing Celebration Assembly, but I thought we'd start on the beach together, and we're going to start in Year 3, and we're going to start with Elm Class, and this is an achievement badge, and it is for Alexander. Very well done, Alexander, and the reason that you're getting an achievement badge is you've been working incredibly hard during lockdown. You complete all of your reading, writing and maths challenges every single day on Teams, and we are all very proud of you. So very, very well done. And let's see what clap will go along with that. And it is a microwave clap. Me. Well done. And staying in Year 3, this is for Ash Class, and this is an achievement badge. And I think for this badge we'll go to one of my favourite places in the Medway towns. We'll go to Gillingham Football Club. So here we are at Priestfields, which is in Gillingham, one of my favourite places to go. Certainly will be once lockdown finishes. And this is for, in Ash Class, Darcy. Very, very well done. So an achievement badge is coming your way because, Darcy, you've worked your socks off on Teams throughout lockdown. You've produced some brilliant work of a really high quality, especially your writing, where you plan your work, you draft it, and you edit it properly as well. You're really ready for Year 4. Well done, Darcy. And let's see, Darcy, what clap is going to go along with your achievement badge, and it is a fairy clap. Very, very well done, Darcy. Okay, we're going to move into Year 4 with Mrs Dass's class, and I think we'll go to Italy next, one of my favourite parts of the world to visit. Again, not this summer, sadly enough, but hopefully at some time in the future. So, we are giving an achievement badge out this week for Harvey. Okay, very well done, Harvey. And Mrs Dass writes about you that you've written some excellent stories using Egyptian facts. I should have gone to Egypt. We'll go to Egypt. There we go, on our way to Egypt instead. And you've written some really good work about Egypt with some Egyptian facts that your group have done and researched together. And you presented it in a lovely PowerPoint as well, using paragraphs and excellent vocabulary. You really do deserve an achievement badge, Harvey. Very, very well done. And let's see what badge is going to go along with your achievement badge, and it is a firework clap. Well done. Pew, 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 pew. And let's see, from Mrs Kingsnorth. Okay, it's another achievement badge in Year 4, and this is for Joel. Very, very well done, Joel. And the reason that you're getting this badge, and we'll stay in Egypt, I think. The reason that you're getting this badge is because of the amazing newspaper report you wrote about, no surprise here, coronavirus and the pandemic. Not only was the information in there all relevant with key features, you showed a great writing style as well. Joel has impressed me, Mrs Kingsnorth, on several occasions with high quality learning that he has submitted on Teams during his time from school. Very, very well deserved, Joel. And let's have a see what clap is going to go along with your achievement badge, and it is a popcorn clap. Pop, 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 pop. Very well done, Joel. Okay, moving into Year 5 next, and Mr Hunt's class. And I think we will go, I quite like skiing, so I think we'll go to the slopes of the Alps. Here we are. Okay, and we're going to enjoy this part of the world with a member of Poplar class. Okay, and this is an achievement badge for someone who's returned to school, which is fantastic, and this is for Janushiya. Very, very well done. Since returning to school, Mr Hunt writes, you've had a real thirst for story writing, and you've been working extremely hard in class on a range of excellent stories on different subjects. Mr Hunt is very, very proud of the way you've settled back in during these challenging times, and I've seen you on the gate as well, always happy and always smiling, and it's lovely to have you back. So let's see what clap is going to go along with your achievement badge, and it is a crocodile clap. Very, very well done. Next up, we have one of our bubbles, and this is Mrs. Gammon's bubble, and this is a resilience badge. And I think we'll enjoy this resilience badge alongside one of my favourite geographical features, which are volcanoes. Lots of you will know I love my geography, and so we'll have up there one of our beautiful volcanoes erupting in the background. And this is for a resilience badge for Taylor. Very, very well done, Taylor. And Mrs. Gammon writes about you, Taylor. We've been working together this week, learning new skills. Taylor found some of this a little bit tricky, but instead of giving up, he kept on going, trying his best to understand the process needed to gain the skills, and as a result, was able to complete the task independently. Well done, Taylor. You have worked very hard this week, and I am very proud of you. Taylor, that's what learning is when something is difficult, you learn new skills to enable you to actually do the learning. So very, very well done, and enabled you to do the tasks. Really proud of you. And let's see, Taylor, what clap is going to go alongside your resilience badge. And it is a microwave. Me. Very well done. Okay, we are going to move into year 6. Okay, and although I do like volcanoes, I also like twisters as well. I love twisters, areas of low pressure. So I think we're going to go to the plains of North America, and we're going to go near a twister. Here we are. And this is a resilience badge in year 6, and this is from Mr Elliott's class. So beach class, and this is for Ruby. Very, very well done, Ruby. And the reason that you are being celebrated today, Ruby, is that you've been working tirelessly over the last 2 weeks to learn your parts in the school play. I noticed parts is in plural there. So obviously you've got more than one role. You've been playing a fierce Miss Mullins, and you've overcome your fear and sung a beautiful solo too. Well done, Ruby. I look forward to seeing the Year 6 production, which the Year 6 team are busily filming. Amazing stuff. And let's see, Ruby, what clap we have for you. And it is a marshmallow. Well done, Ruby. Okay, also in Year 6, we have Mrs Baker's bubble. And the reason I'm looking at my computer for this is it's actually been emailed to me as just as I was doing assembly, and this is an achievement badge, and it's for Evie. Very, very well done, Evie. And Miss Baker writes about you that you've gone above and beyond over the last few weeks. Well, you've been learning the school play and the school production. You have grown in confidence, and your enthusiasm is inspiring. You've even come to school when you wouldn't normally be here. We are so proud of you, Evie, and very, very well done. And let's see what clap is going to go along with that, Evie. And we have a train. Choo-choo, choo-choo. Very, very well done, Evie. Finally for today, we are going into Oak Class, and this is a resilience badge, and this is for Ethan. Okay, we're going to stay with the tornado there, the twister, Ethan. And according to your teacher, Ethan, that you've really impressed this week by acting in the Year 6 production. And you've shown great resilience with learning lots of lines. Even a torn tendon in your ankle didn't stop you. Very well done. There certainly is resilience with such an injury as well. So very, very well done, Ethan. And let's see what clap will go alongside that. And it is a microwave clap again. Me. Very, very well done, Ethan. And well done, all celebration book winners. Proud of every single one of you. You're working immensely hard, both in school and at home. And I look forward to seeing you all very soon. Take care.